Nagtanong-tanong ng pabango, hindi naman pala bibili. Kabayan, where did you go? Yeah. Yala, we will start here in El Nadi. Go, Kabayan. You're pagod? Pagod? Pagod now? Yeah, taban.
There is, if you want it, I will put like this to make me fresh.
Which one?
Filipino, come here.
Ah, Kabayan.
Good perfume.
Perfume?
Yeah, this is perfume.
Oh, too much.
To make you woke up. Oud, لا?
Wood. Wood, huh? How much that one?
This 125.
125. That's too much perfume.
What you shopping? Al-Hunid.
Al-Hunid?
Yeah. Al-Hunidi. Come.
What is this?
Kangaroo.
Huh? Wood? Agar wood. Agar wood. You will buy or no?
No.
At hindi ka talaga, Dr. Amir. Pero yung ano, yung amoy ng pabango, amoy ano siya, amoy wood. Dito namin sa pharmacy. Pasok muna kami, papatirahin ko muna to ng trabaho. Yala, you're pagod?
I am Amertibo.
Amertibo?
Yeah.
He's Amertibo no. Okay, yala, arrange. Go.
Bye.
How are you, pare?
احنا خلص سنة المهدي. سنة رافين كل المهدي.
انا عارف بس النوبه اللي فاتت احنا غيرت الاسعار كلها تاني بعد ما تمشي. اللي كلها ما كانتش متظبطه.
Pinapagalitan siya. Kasi pinapalitan niya yung display. He changed, kuya? He's the visual merchandiser here in this pharmacy. He's the one in charge. If we need to change something, we need to talk to him, Amir.
What?
Huh? If we need to change something, we need to talk to him.
I'm doing nothing about
Sorry?
He's from my country, Egypt.
Same?
Yeah, Egyptian.
Your country, you're not Palestinian now, You're Egyptian now, Okay, now I will tell to the YouTube guys, you're not Palestinian.
No, I am Palestinian.
You're Egyptian. Basha. Amir Basha.
في كل ناحية يعني إن شاء الله. بس يعني هغيرها هنا وأنا هكتب اللي هو الساقة. تمام؟ قشطة؟
Sabi niya papalitan niya yung display. Ayos
يا عيني زي
Magaling ka na rin mang uto ngayon Amir
أنا كلهم بيفكروا مصير بس أنا مش من مصير أنا مصير.
Diba?
وين كم مصير؟
Bro, شو اسمه?
سعيد.
Said? Hi Said. Ryan. Ana Ryan. Thank you Said. Thank you. Shukran.
That's the way to make your business. Okay?
Wala? Yalla work. Barabar shukula?
Come. Because if I sell more, I will take more.
Wow, mashallah.
Huh?
Cute ng bata See the baby? See the baby? Baby.
Yeah. This is like me when I was young.
Like you? Just like you? He's telling when he was young, he was beautiful.
Yeah.
You're beautiful when you were young?
Yeah.
What's time in the Arabic time? No time. Wakit? Mafi wakit.
You will learn Arabic. I will learn.
Mafi wakit?
I will learn you Arabic.
What's no time?
No time, mafi wakit.
Mafi wakit? Yalla. Alatul shukul. Mafi wakit. Tapos na kami magtrabaho. Tara, let's go.
If any man wants to erase her makeup, this is good.
Yeah, they know this one. You want to remove your makeup, you use that one.
You know, one day I go supermarket. My mom said to me, I go bring me micellar. You know
That's
this?
micellar cleanser.
Yeah, I go to water fridge. I think it's there.
Said, thank you very much. Doktora, thank you. Nakikipagbulaan na naman siya. Time check. Stress. You want chai?
Yeah.
Chai? Tara, let's take chai.
No chai.
No chai?
We'll go bathroom.
Bathroom?
Yeah.
How many times you're going bathroom?
Because if I drink chai, we'll go bathroom. Now, خلاص. I want to go.
Your eyes, you're looking too much.
No. It's good. Sometimes to have update. Update your eyes.
You know, he's always looking to ladies, especially Filipino ladies.
See?
Yeah, me, I'm not looking, but he's always looking.
Because you have partner, you don't have partner. Yeah. Ini bagot tergantung.
Always pagod.
No man.
See? Again, you're looking. Again, you're looking. I know.
Okay.
You told me, what is this?
Walk like this.
See, guys, he's always looking. I know.
Look, I look
He's
the
always
way.
looking. Huh?
I look the way.
The way?
Yeah.
Or her way?
Oh, wait. Hello, guys. I need to sleep.
You're sleepy? How many pharmacy we finished now? 7? 6 or 7?
Six.
7, right?
Yeah.
7 pharmacies. So we need 2 more. You know, Amir, they like you.
Who?
My viewers.
Woman, صح?
I don't know if they're women's or men's.
No, I don't want men. I am not gay. Always me in Friday when I was in my home country. After praying, eating, then go خلاص. No, sleep.
Sleeping, huh?
Yeah. Here, work.
After pagod.
Yeah, after become pagod. No Filipino have work. I will sleep in home. She will work. I will give her just love.
Oh my god. You will not give money?
No, I will give her love. She will give me money. Yeah.
Sheikh Amir.
Let's talk in Arabic. جمعة مباركة.
Juma Mubarak.
انت كيف اليوم؟
Inta kif yom.
انت كيف اليوم؟
Inta kif
How are you today?
yom. How are you today?
Yeah.
Inta kif yom.
Yeah. انت كيف يوم؟
How are you today?
Yeah. انت في كبيان؟
Inta fi kabayan?
Yeah.
What's the meaning of that?
هل there is Filipino?
Inta kif yom. Inta
Yeah.
fi kabayan?
Yeah.
Inta kif.
He's good when he talk in Arabic. I said to him talk in Arabic.
I will learn
شوي شوية.
شوية.
Yeah.
على طول سيدا.
Drink karak, you will learn fast. Surah.
Surah.
Yeah.
Fast surah.
Yeah, fast surah.
على طول
سيدة.
سيدا.
He's أرباب مي نفر.
شو نفر؟
Yeah, مي نفر. He's
هذا نفر أكيل كتير.
نفر مسكين.
Today means
اليوم.
اليوم. شو أكل اليوم؟
أنا
Yeah.
فيش.
Fish.
برياني.
Later means
ليتر بعدين.
بعدين.
Yeah.
بعدين tonight. Tonight means
في الليل.
في الليل. اليوم today في الليل.
أيوة.
شو أكل في الليل؟
أنا
أنا
أكل في الليل برياني.
برياني. You will cook
or سمبوسة.
sambusa.
Yeah.
You're Indian.
Yeah, I like sambusa.
Yeah, you like sambusa too much.
Yeah, sambusa.
شو أكل في الليل؟
أنا I don't know.
أنت كيف
ما
يوم؟
بعرف.
أنت كيف يوم؟
Yeah. أنت كيف اليوم؟ Yeah. هيك أنت
أنت
good.
كيف اليوم؟
كيف أنت يا باشا؟
كيف أنت باشا؟
Yeah.
Basha in Egyptian, right?
Yeah. باشا.
Basha. Basha means friend.
باشا ميك يعني big أرباب. If you want. مدير باشا. Yeah, it's same.
Mudir and
But
Basha, it's
you
the
want
same.
to talk to someone to talk to him and said you are big أرباب, you said to him باشا. Basha.
See, Amir is teaching me how to speak Arabic now. كيف أنت كيف اليوم? How are you today?
أنت غني.
اليوم.
أنت غني.
أنت غني.
يا غني.
غني.
Singing. Songs أغاني.
No. What's no?
لا. لا تبقى معدية. لا
سيارة مال انت means
مال انت yours.
سيارة مال انت. لا What is that?
Song Egyptian.
غاني Egyptian غاني. أنا ما في غاني.
لا في انت غني.
أنا ما في غاني.
انت كل يوم فلبينو.
أنا ما في غاني.
والله كل يوم فلبينو.
ما في معلوم غاني.
انت شيخ؟
ما في معلوم غاني. ايش مال انت؟ ايش؟
انت ما في اغاني؟
انت ما في غاني. انا ما في غاني.
انت ايش؟
No proof.
What you want? What you do?
Only
Every
work.
day singing.
Work.
Yeah, and make live and girls come.
شوف girls. No
girls. Yeah,
no,
I see.
No girls. لا. ما في girls.
شوفي. Men. في ولا؟ No. كيف ما في girls?
Men watching only.
No, all girls.
No girls.
فلبينو.
حبيبي أكتر مش صح؟
حبيبي بصي زعلان ازعل نص. You know he's big مشكلة. والله
بص
زعلان.
Who's the singer?
I will put it to you.
Who's that singer?
Nancy Ajra.
Yeah, I like that singer.
والله Filipino you know everything and they said we don't know but they know Arabic.
شوي.
دلاني يا كبايان. Filipino Arabic mix. زي زمان.
I like this singer, Nancy Ajra.
This is famous in Arabic countries, but she is so beautiful.
Kalas? Syukran. This is the Mandi restaurant I'm talking to you.
Yeah, I will go now.
You will eat? Yalla, go.
Make karoush.
Yalla,
No,
you go.
no, not now.
Not now?
Not hada. It's cheap.
Yeah, here cheap. Doon kami kumakain dati nila utol ng Mandi. Gutom na si Amir. And bali dalawang pharmacy na lang kami tapos tapos na kami.
My high is here. Bye.
Ito na kami sa Barsha side. And we will check out the pharmacy. We'll check out the pharmacy. After I will go to Laban. I will buy something. Okay?
And we don't know what they are Bilaban.
Bilaban, you know, when I'm eating Bilaban, my stomach is becoming upset.
Kawayan don't know what means Bilaban.
What's Bilaban?
Yogurt.
Yogurt? Oh, so this is yogurt and Laban.
Yeah, milk.
Oh. That's why my stomach always upset. You're singing there, you're singing. You're singing. Huh? You're singer, huh?
Yeah, because I relax in bathroom.
Kuya is Japanese, you know?
Yeah.
Domo arigatou gumastos ka.
Yeah.
Ah.
Because I go relaxation in bathroom. If you go bathroom, singing. What is the businessman?
I don't know. What?
Bigger better.
Above?
45 for cutting and shooting. Me?
Ah, too much expensive.
Yeah. In Hindi, I make just for 5 dirham. Look.
Me, I'm buying only Gillette.
Yani, for 45 dirham, I can cut my hair and my shape all the month.
Yes.
صح ولا مش صح?
It's very expensive.
Yeah.
Yeah, me, I'm buying this Gillette. I'm shaving my beard and mustache in the bathroom. But
Down.
down, down, secret. Oh no, shaving must be shaving.
You need like this. Photo.
No, what is this, trees? For you, trees. For me, no, because you have too much hair.
No, me, it's so
Too much hair, but too much.
Yeah, but
You need this tree cutter, you know. Like,
yeah.
pauwi na kami. Magbibili namin rito sa Bilaban. Masarap yung ano rito, yung tinitinda nila. Kabayan, welcome to Bilaban. See? Yeah. Arabic lane, English lane. Kuya, I just want to buy this kushari.
Kushari.
Wait, I don't want with kunafa inside. Kushari without kunafa.
Grocery without kunafa.
And the one with kunafa.
Grocery with kunafa. But if you need without, we can make it without.
This salaman, what's this?
Salangkati.
Salangkati with kunafa.
Yes.
This one original with kunafa.
Yes. You need without.
Without, so koshari only I need. Koshari without kunafa, right? This normally without.
هو الغش اللي عليها الكشري.
لا جلاش وشوكولاته.
Koshari normally no kunafa.
No, you need it without kunafa.
Yeah, without kunafa. This is koshari.
No, grocery already have kunafa. If you need to remove it, we can remove it. It's okay. The normal item without kunafa is milk cake, alambadi, bambuza fruit, and the grapes and waffle.
I ordered before this circle one.
Circle one kunafa.
But without kunafa. No, both all have kunafa.
Yes, you need it without. Grocery without kunafa. That's what you need.
No, with kunapa, but little only this one, right? Not too much. Can you show me?
Me, I will order karak.
Okay, I want.
Hi, Kabayan. We are in Billaban. We are order kushari. You know kushari? In Billaban. And Kabayan, this Kabayan don't want with kunafa.
No, I want, but little.
Little kunafa, yeah. But in Arabic, we love kunafa. Because kunafa is expensive. But Filipino, I don't know why they don't like kunafa.
Kushari is too much kunapa inside.
What?
How are you? You see the ice cream here?
Famous. What? What ice cream? Ice cream. I want ice cream. 1 billion. This is not make me full. Really make me full.
This Billaban original then where?
Original? Yeah, I know.
It's Egypt?
Yeah.
From Egypt.
Yeah.
Making video.
What the? This
Huh?
is noisy place.
Ito na yung order namin, no? Uy, solid. Kushari, sa?
Yeah, statue.
Pistachio kushari. MashaAllah.
Here we will go eat baraka.
Diyan sa musa muna kami.
Ayam kaldan.
Ha?
Ayam kaldan.
Oh, too much money, oh. See? Sheikh Amir. See? Samusa. Kuya, samusa. Ah? Wah. Too famous. No famous. Wala.
Ayam kaldan. He make up that. I buy sambusa. He buy billaban.
But samosa good.
Yeah, but ayam kaldan.
Pina-separate pa niya yung samosa. Yeah. No. No, he's not tourist. This guy? He's from where? No, you think he's from where? Egyptian. Samosa. Samosa.
أنا غلبان مسكين. He is bigger back.
Too bigger back.
He buy.
But he treat me. You treat me. Tingnan nyo siya paano kumain.
Well, what's inside? Yeah? Jackie Chan. You love Jackie Chan.
Jackie Chan o Bruce Lee? Bruce Lee? How? Michelangelo, Ninja Turtle?
Yeah.
Like Ninja Turtle is sprint.
Like me.
No, it's sprint.
No. The Philippine is there. My knee there. My knee there. When I become a prince and married, I will come here to cut my hair. Now, I will cut in Hindi. 5 dirham.
Mahal ng gupit. How much is the haircut? 45?
45
800 pesos.
I can cut my hair all months. Yeah.
Here, how much?
Here, please, spa. Spa.
Other spa. You want to go?
I want massage, wallah. Ooh. I need massage. I need just before I go Hindi massage, 3-5 not Hindi massage.
Hindi massage?
5 dirham.
And we're here. We're going home now. Tike? Very hot.
Guys. Khalas.
Today weekends, what's your plan?
Sleep
Sleep only?
with girl. Sleep alone.
With girl? Sleep with girl? Ah, you already told ya.
No,
Bad.
alone. I am no.
Oh my god.
It's haram.
You sleep with girl,
I
huh?
am
That's why you're always on the phone with girl. I'm hearing, yeah, you're talking.
No, not with girl. It's my father.
Your father, boy, sa pa woman, then your father?
Don't know girl here.
Last time you're talking to a woman, I heard.
Yeah, this is my relative. My far relative. And it's older than me. It's like my mom.
Really?
Okay?
You think I will believe? No. I'm not believing you.
No, believe. I don't have. If you want to take my phone. Even I don't have connection in my phone. How I will chat with a girl?
Sometimes we have connection, no?
No, sometimes no. If I am partner, all times I should chat. But if no,
You seem like Satan, you know?
no, I am not shaitan.
Your eyes?
أنا غلبان. Filipino massage.
No, I don't like that one. I don't like massage. Only my partner can massage me. Nobody else.
Me غلبان, no miskin, no partner.
Go to Moroccan.
No,
Must take massage from men.
no, it's haram.
Moroccan men, they are making massage. At least it's not lady.
Me? Men?
Men, yeah.
Why? I am gay?
No,
No.
it's not about gay, but men will massage you.
No, I don't.
You don't want woman, no? Then go to men.
I don't want men touch me.
We have too much video here. Okay, kabayan. Bye-bye, kabayan. See you next week, kabayan. We will make another vlog with Amir, no? Amir will learn the Filipino culture and I will learn the Palestinian culture. Right? We will make a YouTube vlog, daily vlog. Okay?
We will be famous than Pramativo.
Yes.
You know Pramativo? He is the blogger one for Filipino.
Always dancing.